Oh my gosh! Dude. You got lucky!
You going in?
Yeah, if I get my key out. For some reason, I thought it was a good idea to put the speaker on top of the key.
Don't get the pro chambers in. No, it's actually right now. Oh, it is right there.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
Oh, no way. It is.
Boom. Heck yeah.
That should be good.
Gotta test it first, make sure.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Damn it.
I have never heard one that loud before.
Damn.
Well, people are going to get that when they pull out in front of us. What kind of zip ties are these things, dude?
Oh no, don't tell me it's those ones. It is the...
I see a vet up there. See it? It's red.
Oh.
C6?
C6?
Oh, it's chopping. You hear it?
Oh yeah.
Dude, we gotta catch up to him. Oh yeah.
I think we can go around them by law.
We could go this way, right? Take a right and then go left. Oh yeah.
Oh Lord, that thing loud as fuck. I want to hear it inside the parking garage.
Go.
Hold on. You gotta get one.
Do it off the edge. Do it off the edge.
I was trying to find somebody.
Scare him. Dude, it's echoing.
Hey, happy birthday! Thank you, brother. This is for you. Woo! That thing can take a left and then just
Come on.
go.
Dude.
Fuck out of the way. Hey, nonsense.
Oh man.